కాంగ్రెస్ చేసిన బీసీ కులగణన వాస్తవానికి దూరంగా ఉందని ఆరోపించారు బీఆర్ఎస్ ఎమ్మెల్సీ కవిత. తెలంగాణలో బీసీలకు 42% ఇస్తామని కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ మాటలకే పరిమితమైందన్నారు. కులగణనలో అనేక వైరుధ్యాలున్నాయని, తిరిగి ఈ సర్వేను సక్రమంగా నిర్వహించాలన్నారు.
Telangana Congress Party claims that they have done the OBC caste census and they are going to give 42% reservation to OBCs in Telangana, which unfortunately is far from reality because the caste census conducted has many discrepancies and many of the organizations who have been constantly campaigning for these causes have expressed their concerns. Government does not seem to be concerned about these issues that are expressed by various groups. They are trying to bulldoze this entire issue and go ahead with the wrong data that they presented in the assembly. We strongly oppose the wrong data that is presented in the assembly by the government. They have shown the number of OBCs as very less percentage, and unfortunately Mr. Rahul Gandhi also spoke about the same thing in the parliament. So if the Congress party is really sincere in giving reservations to OBCs politically, they should reconduct this survey properly. Wherever it is not conducted, it has to be reconducted. The number of BCs should be spoken out and submitted in the assembly openly. This is our fundamental demand, and we are demanding 42% reservation to be for the OBCs should be given. The bill should be introduced in the assembly, and BRS party will support it unequivocally. Other than that, the UGC bill, the UGC new guidelines that have been brought by the BJP government are trying to gain the control of the universities across the nation. It is a really unfortunate move because this country needs youth leadership. Youth leadership develops only through universities which give way to free and fair thinking in this nation. Unfortunately, BJP does not believe in that. So we seriously oppose the UGC guidelines which are trying to cast the same die across every state and all universities. Thank you. Jai Telangana.